Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 2. Today we'll explain from Moasser book, exam number 2. Okay? Pay attention with me. First question here, square root of 10. Approximating, it will be what? We can use calculator to find the answer, square root of 10. Okay? And then find the answer. We know square root of 10 lies between, look at here, lies between 9, square root of 9, look at here, square root of 10, greater than square root of 9, less than square root of 16, lies between 3 and 4. Square root of 10 lies between 3 and 4. Okay, this is a decimal. Choose the number lies between 3 and 4, it will be 3.71. Or you can use calculator to find the answer, square root of 10, and then write the decimal number to write the answer. Okay, next question, square root of 63 divided by 7. We know 63 divided by 7 equal 9. Right here, square root of 63 over 7. Square root of 9 equal 3. The answer here will be 3. If x plus 4y equal 8 and x minus 3y equal 5, what is the numerical value about this expression? We can sample this expression by factorize, okay, by brackets between two brackets here, x power 2 equal x by x, and 12, we want to number product of them equal 12, write 3y, product by 4y. And the gets number like the middle, it will be positive and here negative. So the product between the value of x minus 3y equal 5, we have here the value 5, and second x plus 4y equal 8. 5 times 8 is 40. The answer here will be 40. Next question, 25 power 2 subtract by 15 power 2 equal 10x. We have factorized here, 25 power 2 equal 25, product by 25. Right here negative 15 and here positive 15. The result equal 10x. Okay, understood? We can find the value of first, 25 minus 5 equal 10. Then we have here 10 product by 25 plus 15 is 40. The result will be 10x divided by 10. Then the value of x will be 40. Choose letter E. Next question here, number 5. What is the greatest common factor of the polynomial 12x power 2 subtract 8x? 12 and 8 can divide by 4. X power 2 can divide by x, then 12 and 8 can divide by 4, had cofactor, and x power 2 divided by x. Then we have 4x had cofactor, and then we can complete. If you want to complete, write 12 x power 2 divided 4x equals 3x, and 8x divided by 4 equal 2. Then we have 4x is the greatest cofactor. Next question, in triangle, right angle triangle, we have right angle triangle at y. We can use here the theorem about Pythagoras. Xz power 2 equal xy power 2 plus yz power 2. Choose letter D. Next question, number 7. We have triangle xyz, xy equal yz equal xz. What is the value of the measure of angle x? We have equilateral triangle. Then the measure of each angle equals 60 degree. We have here equilateral triangle equals side equal lengths, and 180 divided by 3 equals 60. Next question now, number 8. Insert this 60-90 triangle. We have this triangle. Look at here. You want to find what? The ratio between the hypotenuse, the length of hypotenuse, and the length of side which opposites angle 30. We know in right angle triangle, 30-60 is the side length which opposites 30 half of hypotenuse. So the ratio between hypotenuse to the length which opposite the angle of 30, it will be 2 to 1. Next question from the histogram here. He asked about the model interval. Look at the long bar models here from 50 to 60. Okay, so shows letter C. Next question here, second group. Answer the following here. If x equal 2 root 2 and y equal 3, find the value of x power 2 minus y power 2. X power 2 minus y power 2, we can find x minus y product by x plus y. x minus y. Okay, you can find also first power 2 and second power 2 and see find the difference, or factorize like this. Okay, so you can write x power 2 in one step. You can write here 2 root 2 power 2 subtract by 3 power 2. 2 power 2 4, root 2 power 2 equal 2, and 3 power 2 9. 2 times 4 8, 8 minus 9 equal negative 1. Then the answer will be negative 1. Next question, we have interval. We want to find the difference between two intervals. I will draw number line here. Okay, like this. First, negative infinity to 6. We have number here 6. 6 was closed. It's the first interval. And second, from 4 to 4 here to infinity. 4 was opened to infinity here. We have infinity. He won't find here the difference. The difference is meaning cancel this interval. We won't cancel this interval from 4 to infinity. We can cancel. So the remainder, it will be from negative infinity to 4. From negative infinity open to the digit 4, and 4 will be closed. Negative infinity opened and 4 closed. Okay, the solution about this question. It will be open intervals from negative 4 and 2 closed, or half opened from negative infinity to 4. We want to find the union here about this question. We have intervals. First interval here from negative 1 to 4, and then 2 to 5. The first from negative 1 closed to 4 closed, and this number 5. Okay, it was closed here, and down close to 5. Okay, you want to find union. Union will be closed in negative 1 to 5. From negative 1 to 5. Factorize each of the following. We can factorize by divided 4 terms, 2 terms and 2 terms. Raise the factor here between 2 brackets here, write A. The repeating here B, okay, write B height factor. AB divided by B equal A, and BD divided by B equal D. Plus we can write here E height factor between 2 terms, AA divided by E equal A, and DE divided by E equal D. Next we can write A plus D height factor. Again, was repeating between 2 brackets, and then divided. The remainder here will be P, and the remainder here will be E. Okay, A plus B divided by P plus E. Next question, x power 3 subtract by 1. We can factorize open small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of x power 3 equal x. Cubic root of negative 1, it will be negative 1. X power 2, x power 2, negative 1 power 2, it will be 1. And the middle, first and second, and change the sign, positive x. Next question here, number 3. We can factorize the example to convert from addition between 2 squared to the difference between squared by add positive or negative 2 square root as the third. Here we can solve this by add positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, 4m power 4 product by 1. Then the result will be positive or negative 2 times square root of 4. It will be 2m power 2. The result will be positive or negative 4m power 2. And then next step, we can add and subtract 4m power 2. Okay, understood, my students? Come here about this example. Right, 4m power 4 plus 1, and the middle here write positive and here negative. Okay, about 4m power 4 power 2, and here 4m power 2. Next step, I will factorize this example by open 2 brackets here. Right, this expression we can find the square root of the first. It will be 2m power 2, and square root of 1, it will be 1. Raise the sign here, positive, all power 2. Okay, and next square root of 4m power 2 equal to m power 2. Next step, I will factorize the answer here. We have repeating about 2 brackets, so I will complete up here. Okay, open two brackets, and this brackets repeating 2m power 2 plus 1, and here 2m power 2 plus 1 subtract by 2m, and here plus 2m. Okay, understood? This is the last factorizing about this question, last step. Okay, next question. Determine the type of angle. You want to determine the angle here. How is this triangle? First step to know the type of this triangle. First, you can write the long side first. The long side here was 10. Then, or 12. Okay, AC power 2. Comparing between AC power 2 and EB power 2 plus BC power 2. AC power 2, 12 power 2, it will be 144. And EB power 2, 9 times 9 equal 81. BC power 2, BC 10, 10 times 10, 100. Then we can collect, the result will be 181. 181 greater than 144. This number is greater than, okay? So the long less than the addition between the squared here. Then with this triangle, we call it an acute angle triangle. The type of the triangle, we called it an acute angle triangle, okay? Next question, question number 5. In the given figure, D and E and F are the midpoints in this triangle. You won't find the parameter of triangle FED. You won't find the parameter of this triangle. We can prove that such that we can write such that D and E and F are the midpoints of EB and BC and EC respectively. Then I will complete here. Okay, write this. The first line is the proof. Then we can write here if FD will be half of FD, half of CP. Okay, because this line segment we called it the mid segment. This we have mid segment here, and also FE here half of AB, and also ED is half of the opposite line segment EC. And then we can find parameter of triangle EDF will be half of parameter of triangle ABC equal half sum of 8 plus 6 plus 10. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 10 equal 24. 24 divided by 2 equal 12. Then the answer will be 12 centimeter. Next question. We have triangles. You want also find the parameter of BMC. This is the one triangle. We can prove this example by proof that M here is the midpoint of this triangle. Okay. Okay. Listen to me about the steps. Okay. Listen to me now. You can see the example. I will prove that or find the parameter about this triangle by this method. Look at with me, my students. Okay. Listen to me. Right, first step, such that if E and D are the midpoints of EC and EB respectively, then right first steps here, okay, in the proof. And next you can prove that now CD and CD here and PE are midpoints. We call this the median. CD and PE are medians. We call the medians in triangle. And then such that CD intersection BE equal M, you can raise this example, okay? Intersection M, then M is the centroid point. Centroid point in triangle. We call that centroid point. Then CB and DE are medians, and such that CD intersection BE equal point M, then M is center point, centered, we call this centered point, M here, divided about 2 to 1 the ratio, okay? Then we can find CM equal twice of MD. Twice MD equals 6 centimeters. This side length equals 6 centimeters. And also ED, it will be half of CP. This 4, then CP equal 8 centimeters. He gave me also the example BE6. Look at here, BE6 centimeter. Okay, you can write also here the length of this part here, MB. MB equal, we have here, look at 2 parts to 1, then the ratio will be 2 over 3 about BE. 2/3 of BE, understood? Look at here, he gave me BE 6 centimeters. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And the length about down here to the base 2 centimeters and here 4 centimeters. We can write ratio 2 over 3. MB 2/3 of BE. 2/3 product by 6. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 2 times 2, 4 centimeters. Okay, then we can find the parameter of triangle equal. We can collect. We have 6 centimeters and here 8. And this line segment we have here 8 and this 6 centimeters and this 4 centimeters. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 equal 18 centimeters. Okay, understood? Next question. We want here from the given stem leaf plot from frequency with intervals, form the frequency table with intervals ascending cumulative and representing perfectly. Okay, look at the data here. I will draw the table first. Table about the data right here, sets and frequency. The sets here from like this number 14. This number will be 10, 20, okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here 6. And frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. A summation of frequency here. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, I don't need now. Okay. Now I will draw the table here also. Right here, frequency. Okay, such that right here, upper limit, upper of limited, and here frequency. Ascending cumulative here. Less than 10, less than 10, it will be 0. And less than 20, it will be 6. Less than, where less than 30, 5 plus 6 equal 11. Less than 40, 6 plus 11 equals 17. Less than 50, okay, it's 3 plus 17 equal 20. Less than 60, 20 plus 4 equal 24. You can collect the number 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, plus 5, 18, plus 6 equal 24. It's the sum. Okay, now I will draw vertical, represent vertically like this. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Start about the first here. We have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The case number 24, we can write 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 10 to 0, okay? Then the first here, write 0. And second, 20 to 6, going to 6 here. And the third to 11. And the third to 17. we have 16 here, and this 17 after 17 by 1 minute, one place. Okay. Next also 20, going here from point to 20, and then going to 60 to 24. Like this curve, and then to find the median. Okay, to find the median, the half of 24 is 12. Draw here vertical, horizontal, and then drop. Maybe 27, the median. Okay. Understood? You can also find the median by right here, half of 24 is 12. And right here, you write the exact answer, okay? And then you can write the steps, 12 minus 11. Right here, 12 minus 11 over 17 minus 11. It's equivalent to Q minus 30. Q here refers to the value of the median over 40 minus 30. 12 minus 11, 1. 17 minus 11 equals 6. Q minus 30, 40 minus 30, 10. 10 divided by 6 equal Q minus 30. The value of the median equal 10 divided by 30, right here 30. Move here, plus 10 over 6. 10 over 6, we can simplify it by divided by 2. It will be 5 over 3. 5 over 3. Raise 3, and here 1, and the remainder 2. 1 plus 30, the result will be 31 and 2/3. So it's nearest to the answer. When you can draw, you can write the answer here exactly in your home, okay? Okay, my students, you can find the answer exactly by drawing, okay? Understood?